Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, I'm coming to you a little early this week because I wanted to share a wicked good recipe. This is a recipe for a New England lobster roll. Now, the key to making a lobster roll is to have the right buns for your roll. And I'm going to show you the perfect buns for your New England lobster roll. So if you want to see how I make this lobster roll in time for you to make it for your July 4th celebration, then just keep on watching.
Set your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, no clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days.
All right, guys, so you have seen me, if you have watched any of my prior summer vlogs, you have seen me eat these amazing lobster rolls down at our village green. There's a lobster truck that shows up down there every other weekend or most weekends during the summer, and it's delicious. But you can make your own lobster rolls at home, and I figured that July 4th is the perfect time to make your own lobster rolls at home because you're celebrating. You can do this for just you and someone else. You can do this for an intimate dinner for four, or if you really want to splurge, you can do this for your whole party. Now, lobster meat is very expensive. I purchased a pound of lobster meat, and this is so yummy looking, and it is yummy. And this cost me about $56 for a pound. I know, it's not going to be your budget-friendly meal, but when you want to splurge, this is the way to do it. And you can do this same kind of roll with tuna, shrimp, crab meat. You can make it a little less expensive. Tuna rolls made exactly the same way that I'm gonna make this are really delicious in one of these toasted rolls. But I'm getting ahead of myself, as I usually do. Anyway, the lobster meat. Now, you could just take this lobster meat as is and dunk it in melted butter and just have a feast. I have done that many times. But what I'm gonna do is show you how I make the salad, and it's super, super easy. All you need is your lobster meat, some celery, mayo, and salt and pepper. That's all I put in my lobster salad or tuna salad. But if you like onions, you can add onions into that. If you like any other kind of spices, if you like it kind of like with a kick, you can use some cayenne pepper. But I'm just gonna use that. So I'm gonna chop up my celery into really small pieces, get those into my bowl, and because it's the 4th of July, I'm using my festive bowl. This is a set of 3 bowls that are definitely 4th of July, and this is from Temptations. I got this from QVC a few years ago, but I'm sure you can maybe check it out and see if you can find it if you really like that bowl. I love it. But anyway, I'm gonna chop my celery really small. I'm gonna chop up my lobster in small pieces. We'll get it into the bowl. I'll show you how I'm doing all that, and then we will get to making the rolls. right, guys, so the lobster salad is done. You can put as much mayo or as little mayo as you like. We like a good amount of mayo. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna toast the buns, and then we're gonna be ready to fill these and eat. All right, guys, the buns are toasted. They are golden brown, perfect, nice and buttery and warm. So I'm gonna fill these little buns and get them on the plate.
Do this forever, chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete. Oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break.
The best chips to have with your New England Lobster Roll are these Cape Cod Original Sea Salt Kettle Cooked chips. I think you might be able to get them in your grocery store. I hope so. When we have a lobster roll, usually they give us French fries, but we're not doing French fries today. We're gonna do some chips. I have some dill pickle spears on the plate, and we are just going to enjoy. All right, so as I was saying, if you can't get lobster where you are, you could do shrimp, you could do crab meat, you could do tuna, and that would make the same type of salad in these rolls. And you really have to get the right kind of buns for your lobster rolls. They have to be these are the New England style. I hope you can get them at your grocery store. You have to be able to butter both sides and toast it and make it all toasty good. So that's gonna do it for this video today, guys. I hope that you all have a wonderful July 4th holiday celebration, holiday weekend. If you're on vacation, I am on vacation the week after, starting the 4th all the way to the end of the following week. So I'm very psyched. But I'm gonna go eat this with Bob. We're gonna go enjoy our lunch. I'm gonna give this a taste before I sign off. But so that I'm not talking with a full mouth, I will say take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Better than out in the restaurant. Bye, guys.